Oh, in you come, in you come. That's it, gather round, there's so much stuff for you to see. That's it, just in front of the counter, wonderful. Welcome, welcome, my dear toys, friends, to Hal's Toy Emporium, right here in the heart of Thorpe Village. My grandmother's toys have been loved for generations, all for the children. They would press their little noses right up against the glass. My grandmother, the toy maker, has put so much love and dedication into her craft. She says, treat the toys with respect and they will do the same. If you don't, better sleep with the lights on, eh? Just toying with you all. Speaking of the lights, just don't turn them off. Right, well, best be on your way. I'm sure she would love to meet you all. She'll have you in stitches.
To replace a human voice box, simply cut the throat, pull out the unwanted larynx, and replace with a pre-recorded voice box complete with your choice of message.
What a delightful little surprise! Welcome to my delightful little room with my friend Fabrizio. We're gonna make it all standing. That's right.
Oh, no, let's go. Shove it in the back like
Hi, I'm Barbara. Hi, I'm Barbara. Wanna play? Let's play. Let's play. Wanna go for a sleepover?
This is how love find us so much. I know this better than that. Christmas! 60 days till Christmas! 60 days! 60 days! Join the machine! Come on! You're gonna be a nice crafting thing now! I haven't got enough time! 60 days for 7 billion children! I try myself to run for you! It's unbelievable! I'll try myself! It's a small space! I'll do it for you all! It'll be amazing!
for loving my